Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to maintain the power adapter. Maintain and use the power adapters correctly will help us to have a longer lifetime for the power adapters. Here are 8 tips for the power adapters. 1. Use a power strip like this one, like this kind, like this power strip. 2. Protect the adapter from dropping, shock, and throwing. 3. Working under proper temperature. Please do not make them in the high temperature or too low temperature. Clean the power adapter connectors, that is, connectors regularly. 5. Leave space and time for heat dissipation. We know the heat is the key point for the power adapter. We need to leave enough space and time for the heat dissipation, especially in hot summer. Away from the water, the water, because most power adapters are not waterproof, so leave them away from the water. 7. Avoid tightly wrapping your laptop power cord. What mean? It means please do not wrapping them very tightly. Leave them relax. Leave the power cord relax. Check the power adapter, the whole power adapter, including the adapter, the power cord, regularly to make sure all of them are okay for our use. Okay, that's all for this video. Bye bye. See you next time.